Why the Plow Buddy? Well, no small engine troubles to deal with, no backbreaking shoveling on cold winter days, no more snow blowing back into your face, and no mounting modifications to your vehicle. The Plow Buddy is the only buddy you're going to need when winter hits. It's made in the USA of heavy gauge steel with a durable powder coat paint that makes for a lasting product. It hooks up to most sport utility vehicles and pickups by using your standard tow hooks. Hooking up your Plow Buddy is a very easy process. You just roll it out to your vehicle, you attach the clamps to your battery, you attach to your tow hooks, and you're ready to get to work. Unhooking and storing the Plow Buddy is just as easy as the hookup. The Plow Buddy is a great product for the homeowner, the farmer, or the rancher. The rugged wireless remote means no electrical or hydraulic modifications to your vehicle. The plow angle adjustment can be made easily by the operator. The Alligator clamps attach to the tow hooks, and they can be adjusted to your specific vehicle. The wheel kit keeps the Plow Buddy at a specific height, and you'll note there is quality construction throughout. Replacement blades are constructed of high-grade steel and can be turned 180 degrees so that you have two wear edges.
The Plow Buddy does have a height indicator, which is this unit here, which is adjusted by these holes to the desired height of your vehicle. What you do is on the ground, you want this first black mark here is level with the ground. Then you can go 1 inch up. When you bring your plow up, you'll go 1 inch up, so when you go over grass, you don't have to hit the grass. 2 inch up, you can leave 1 inch of snow or 1 inch of gravel.
The Plow Buddy is the only product currently on the market that offers attachments to be a viable product for year-round use. Why pay hundreds of dollars to wait for someone to plow your driveway when you can have the Plow Buddy and plow it on your own time? Take the Plow Buddy challenge and watch your friends and neighbors wish they had a buddy like you.